What is up, everybody? In this video, we're going to cover 10 game-changing benefits of messenger marketing for your business. So we're going to talk about the growth of messenger marketing versus the level of awareness and really how many people and how many businesses are actually utilizing messenger marketing. We're going to talk about the positive impact for potential of building relationships with your customers, the capabilities of messenger marketing, and the level of effectiveness. So, before we jump into that, I just wanted to share with you our free cheat sheet. If you haven't yet downloaded our free ManyChat cheat sheet, then head over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet and get that cheat sheet now. If you get value from this video and you learn new stuff and you want to start learning even more about ManyChat, then you're going to need this cheat sheet. So this cheat sheet comes with a video tutorial. So if you're not big on reading like I am, then you can just watch the video where I cover everything that's in the PDF cheat sheet, and I'll go more in depth with everything in there. So head over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. After you watch this video, chances are if you gain value from this video, you're going to get value and learn something new from the cheat sheet. So head over there in a few minutes. Let's watch this video first, right? Let's wait till I finish here and then head over there, right? Anyway, so Facebook Messenger is growing really, really fast. Basically, it's at like 1.5 billion users, monthly users right now. And when you compare it to all the other places to reach that many people, it's probably the lowest cost. I mean, Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram, Snapchat, like you're being able to reach people through those platforms, but it is at a much higher cost. So if you work on building your subscriber list and building your audience, you're going to be able to reach people in a much lower cost way. And people are 3.5 times more likely to open a message in Messenger versus email. So why are you still investing money in growing your email list when you already know, or when you're about to know by watching this video, that there are more effective platforms and means of communication to start growing and investing your dollars into? You already know about apps like iMessage, it's just text messaging, WhatsApp, and Messenger, but iMessage and WhatsApp, they don't have the capabilities that Messenger has, as well as, I'm just talking about capabilities as far as media, like GIFs, images, being able to buy directly through the app, and then the capabilities as far as being able to build out message automation sequences on the back end. So using softwares like ManyChat allow you to build these awesome message automations on the Facebook Messenger platform. So I highly recommend getting into Facebook Messenger. You're gonna get more engagement. Just like I said, people are 3.5 times more likely to open a message in Messenger versus email. And I bet you're wondering why. Why is this? Is this even accurate information that he's telling me? Yes, it is accurate, because look at how many emails do you just look at without even opening it and just send it straight to the junk folder or the trash? I mean, I do that all the time because I'm constantly getting inundated with BS emails, marketing emails, promotional emails, emails from people I didn't even sign up to join their list. I don't even know how they got my email, and they're sending me junk. So that's happening left and right through email. It's not happening through Messenger. It will probably start happening through Messenger, but right now it's not. So now is the time that you gotta get into this, because a lot of the best internet marketers and internet businesses that are really moving the needle and making some good money are investing in cutting edge technologies like this ManyChat, like this Facebook marketing stuff. So Facebook Messenger marketing stuff. So we highly recommend that you look into this and start to test and tweak and troubleshoot by creating these message automations and honing in on your messaging and your targeting and things like that. So like I said, Messenger and the apps to be able to build on top of Messenger are very easy to use. ManyChat, Chatfuel, a lot of others, but ManyChat is my favorite. You can go in there and you don't have to be a coder, you don't have to be super techie. You can watch a couple of YouTube videos, download the cheat sheet that I told you about, watch a very little bit of information, and then be off to the races with building out your own messaging automations and sequences inside ManyChat. So you don't have to necessarily spend thousands on education or thousands on hiring bot builders. I recommend you do, because you're not going to scale your business unless you grow your team and start to get people to do things that you can't But if you're a small business and you're a startup and you don't have this massive budget to start hiring a whole bunch of people, then you got to learn it on your own, bootstrap, try to learn as cheap as you can, and then, go off and start building your audience and building your subscriber list. So ManyChat and Messenger really makes connecting with customers very easy. The reason is because it allows you to completely create your own customer journey and online experience however you like. Like I said, with GIF images, with emojis, with videos, you can literally import your own little video clips into the overall message sequence, and audio clips, you can really give them the experience that you want them to have. You want to be able to stand apart from the other brands. Well, this is how you do it. Email is not how you stand apart from the other brands because everybody's doing email and open rates are horrible and click rates are really bad. So when you're marketing to people, you want to be communicating with them in a warm environment where they're communicating with their friends and family. This is why Facebook ads did so well when they first rolled out. Well, that is Messenger. A lot of people also use text message marketing when they're talking with their friends and family, but when you market through text messaging, it's a little bit too close to home. It's a little bit too uncomfortable, and it usually pisses people off a little bit more. Also, you can't do the different types of media that you can do with Messenger. So I would avoid text message marketing, 1, because of the cost, 2, because of the limitations that you have, 3, because it's a little bit too intimate, a little bit too close. You don't want to rub people the wrong way. Usually text message marketing, in my opinion, is for those customers, those bottom of the funnel, those people, those like regular customers that buy from you on a regular basis. That's where you do your text message marketing. You don't market to like those top of funnel type of people that just met your brand, just saw what you're about, but you can do that with messenger marketing and with email. So I'm not necessarily saying abandon email altogether. You still want to have a little bit of email marketing going on, but messenger marketing with email marketing is a great team. You can pretty much achieve any objective that you could with email marketing with messenger marketing. So you can gather webinar registrations, you can sell products, you can provide customers with order status updates, do frequently asked questions, customer support. You can do a lot of different things. So first, what you want to do is determine your goal and then map out your customer journey, have a basic understanding of the bot features and capabilities. Again, plug in the cheat sheet, that 11 crucial features of ManyChat bot you must have, something along those lines. That may help you out in learning those features. And then you want to set up your bot on your own by watching just a couple of YouTube videos, paying minimal to learn it, or hire somebody that can set it up for you. Enjoy the many capabilities because there are a lot and you should utilize them. Use call to action buttons. Like I said, use a bunch of GIFs. Use product galleries, buy now buttons, emojis, video clips, audio clips, a whole bunch of stuff. You really want to leverage the full capabilities of the platform because that's what's going to really make you stand apart as a brand and really build that relationship with the overall audience that you're trying to build. Your bot experience can be short or it can be detailed and complex. You don't have to go super crazy and expert level with it. If you just dip your toes in the water and you start getting your feet wet by just building out some very basic automations, maybe right now with your business you're delivering your lead magnet or you're giving away a free PDF or a free video series or something through email, we'll just try to work on shifting that over to Messenger and see what kind of results you're getting, see what kind of click rates you're getting, see what kind of cost of opt-ins you're getting, and you may want to just go ahead and make the switch to making Messenger and ManyChat a much larger role in your overall sales funnel. So you may start with a Facebook ad, give them a free piece of content like I just said, include a pitch where maybe after they receive that free piece of content, you make sure you follow up, make sure that they consumed that, follow up again, and then maybe pitch them on a low-cost product purchase or something like that. And then once you have them as a customer, then you just want to upsell them and sell them more things down the line. So ManyChat has these different growth tools, and the growth tools are powerful for being able to communicate them in different ways outside of Facebook, outside of Messenger. These growth tools will help you grow your subscriber list. So there are things like the Facebook ad JSON growth tool, which connects your Messenger bot directly with Facebook ads. There are things like pop-ups, top bars, little boxes and bubbles that kind of pop up on landing pages. And when you're having these pop-ups happen, you want to be pitching your free giveaway. You want to be pitching your maybe a challenge that they opt in for, your upcoming webinar, things like that. This will allow you to develop deeper relationships with this cold traffic, these people that are just kind of seeing your brand for the first time and getting to know your brand. This is going to help you be more relevant, accurate, helpful, provide better value, reach them in a place that they're more likely to actually check, more likely to actually click on, and it's going to overall help you develop these relationships. So the ease of testing your bots and messenger campaigns allow for you to learn your customers, who they really are, what they like. You can look at all the data and then go from there. So know this, all right? Know it's still not too late to jump in on the messenger bot. It's still very early. A lot of big brands still have not leveraged the power of ManyChat and messenger marketing. So if you get in now, even though ManyChat messenger marketing has been around for, let's say, a year, I would say it's not going to be completely saturated for another maybe 3 years, maybe 3 to 5 years. So right now, if you get in, you start building a great audience, then you can really have some good success. What I would say, which is something I always worry about, the biggest downside to potentially putting a lot of money and effort into building your audience with ManyChat and with Facebook Messenger is that you are at the liberty of Facebook and Facebook Messenger. So if you're using your Facebook fan page, so if Facebook ever wants to shut down your Facebook fan page or shut down your account, you're pretty much out in being able to reach that entire audience that you gained. So again, that's why I say do both email and messenger marketing, because you don't want to just have Facebook bring their fist down, bring their hammer down, and then you're completely shut out from your entire audience. So you always want to be leveraging multiple platforms to have that diversity, have that separation of assets. Have them on YouTube, a YouTube subscriber, have their email address, have their phone number, have them on Facebook Messenger, have them on Instagram, all those kind of things. So I'm gonna leave you with this. Don't forget to download the free cheat sheet. 11 crucial features that your ManyChat bot must have. You get the PDF, and then you're also going to get an instructional video where I break down the PDF and everything we talk about in the PDF, and I go deeper in depth about all that kind of stuff. So if you're not a fan of reading, then you can watch the video. If you can't watch the video because you're in a coffee shop or you're in school or you're in a library right now, then you just want to read. Just go ahead and put on your reading glasses and read it all up. Anyway, go to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. As you can tell, I'm not the greatest talker. My mouth is it just stumbles. It's like just stumbles over rocks. It's like a clumsy tongue. That's probably what I have. Anyway, bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. Go there. It's going to send you a Facebook message. You're going to have a couple button options if you want to download the PDF or if you want to watch the video. So do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.